Namaste, hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session of our discussion, we started a new chapter from political science part, that is electoral politics. So, let us recall or revise what we discussed in the previous session, and let us continue a new topic after revising. So, we started our discussion about the chapter by discussing an introduction. Most importantly, uh, in democracies are mainly about all about a competition, a political competition between the number of candidates, one who is taking part, then political parties, those who play a very important role in forming the government and making or and introducing various policies, programs, uh, and others only to the needs and expectations of the people. Then, most importantly, the works of the leaders and the political parties, whether it may be the ruling party or it may be the opposition party, all these makes the success and failure of democracies. That's why democracy and a democratic form of government, it is going to succeed, or it will be successful when it allows a system through which people elect, choose, select their representatives on periodic intervals. That is none other than elections. Then, what are elections? That is the primary question arises. So, elections are mainly the system, or they may be the procedures where people uh, choose, elect, select their representatives by casting their valuable vote or by expressing their assent or opinion. So, elections are mainly required in democracies because to elect the representatives, to check the working of existing government, to compare the working of present government with comparing to previous government, and also to dream about the future government. Up to this we discussed in the previous session. Then in today's session, let us go for discussing with quoting a question to ourselves about the topic, that is, why do we need elections? So, why do we need elections? We have to give answer to the question. If yes, we need elections, then we have to quote, we have to list the number of reasons why we need elections. Or if we not accept this question, or if we are ready to give answer negatively, that is no, then there also we need to list or give the reasons. So here we are discussing elections in terms of democracies. That's why our answers to the question will be positive, that is yes. So, elections we need because democracies are mainly based on elections. Before this, we explained clearly the success and failure of democracy, it mainly depends upon the elections or the procedures where people elect, select their representatives by casting their valuable vote. So here democracies are mainly required because democracies are mainly based on elections, and elections takes place to choose people's representatives. Because democracy, it gives a simplest definition, that is, it is rule of the people, or it is people's government. A rule of people is only possible without any elections, or a rule of people is only possible when there is the importance given for elections. Because if all the people sit, or if all the people are not coming forward to think, to express, to dream about their government by expressing their opinion, then it's highly impossible to form or to establish successful working governments. That's why a rule of people is only possible when it is given importance to elections. It allows people to sit together, people to gather together, and to take decision about their representatives and their governments. And moreover, nor it is possible for everybody. If we go on giving negative answer, it's highly impossible to make possible uh, atmosphere to gather all the people, everybody, to gather and to express their opinion about the same topic. There we go on getting differences of opinion. Maybe some may be not having time, some may be not having knowledge, some may be not having interest, some may be not having such basic knowledge to take decision on any kind of administrative matters. And moreover, it's highly impossible to make all the people to gather on a particular day at a particular place to discuss about particular matter of administration. So to avoid this, people need election for choosing their representative, one who can work on their desires, about their desires or dreams. It requires a mechanism by which people can choose their representatives at regular intervals and to change them if they wish to do so. This mechanism itself is called elections. Elections are mainly required to choose representatives who can make laws for people. Laws, LAWS, law. Law means ಕಾನೂನುಗಳು, not LOSS. To form the government and to take or to make final decisions and to choose political party or the candidate whose policies, whose programs will guide the government and in law making procedure or process. For these primary reason, we need elections. So with this, let me stop today's session and let us continue further discussion about elections by quoting other different kind of questions which may rise. So stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, study well, take care of your health and complete your regular works. Thank you one and all.